Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In this video, we'll talk about how to create and use MyLead affiliate account. So let me take you to the website, which is mylead.global. For the ones who don't know what is MyLead, MyLead is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. They provide a platform, which is a very comprehensive platform offering a variety of partner program. It's basically the affiliate program of different brands out there. You do not have to invest any money, or you do not even require any special skills. Even with the beginner set of skill set, you would be able to operate their platform, and you would be able to promote the brands available in their network in order to earn commission. Now, if you scroll down, you would be able to see this step. It's pretty simple. You create an affiliate account with the network. They call affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. Once you create an affiliate account or publisher account with them for free, you can choose from the campaigns to have available. Campaigns means the affiliate program of different brands. Once you apply to these affiliate programs, you get accepted into them, and then you can get your unique tracking links and start promoting the products or these brands directly. And when you bring sales to them by promoting them to any of your promotional media, like your website, blog, or social media account, you will start generating commission, which you would be able to encash it later. So that's how it goes. Pretty simple, isn't it? Now, if you scroll down, you would be able to see more information, such as they already have paid out 11 million USD dollars to their publishers until now. And in their offers, they got over 4,600 affiliate programs. So that's amazing. And then they got 867,000 earning publishers in the network. So this is something good. Many publishers prefer to join them and promote brands through them. And that's true because they don't just provide the affiliate program, they provide other technologies as well that we will talk about later in the video. Now, if you scroll down more, you would be able to see different models available. Like you would be able to promote brands by following CPL, which stands for cost per lead. That means if you bring some people to the brand's website, if they fill out the form or something, you will get commission for it. Then they got CPA model, which is cost per action. Then CPS, which is cost per sell. That means if anyone would make the sell on the brand's website, you get commission. Then PPI is paper installation or paper install. It's basically if anyone would install the application, mobile application, you'll get commission. Then they got payment on SMS, IVR, SMSJ, smart links, which is kind of advanced version of tracking links. So all these amazing features they got. So this way you can explore their website and see if they're a good fit for you. And if you decide to go with it, you can continue with the video. And to create an account with MyLead, simply click on this register button from the homepage, which will take you to this page. Now, their registration process is pretty simple. It's just three-step process. And the first step, you have to decide a username for yourself, a password, and you have to enter the email address that you have access to. So for video purpose, I'm going to enter dummy information in here, but in your case, I would advise you to enter the accurate information only. So you can decide the username and enter it, followed by the password. So once you have entered the username, it will check whether the username is available or not. Then you can decide the password, and you can type in the password as well. You can repeat your password. So that's my password. And then you can enter your email address. Now ensure you have access to the email address because you will get the verification email later. So you can give your email, and then you can read through the regulations and privacy policy. Once you've read it, you can submit it like individually, and you can also read these consent points as well. And if you're fine with it, you could tick mark this individually, or probably just click on this check mark. I accept all the consents below, and then click on start free registration. And when you do that, it will take you to the step 2, where it will say a link with an account activation token was sent to the email address provided earlier. So as I say, only give the email address that for which you have access to. So you can go to your email account and you can refresh your email account. You would receive a similar email like this, which you can click and open. There will be a button, activate account. You can click on the button, which will basically activate your account. So it will open a new tab, and it will take you to the next step in the registration process, which is step 3. Here it will ask you whether you want to create a private account or is it a company account. So if you're representing a company, you can click on company account, enter the name of the company, a tax ID number. So depending on your location, you will have different tax ID. Whatever tax ID you got, you can enter in here. You can select from here, are you an affiliate network, are you a broker or intermediary in traffic? You can select that. But if you're just a private, you can select a private and you see these options would be gone. So once you select it accordingly, you can select your country from here. It will automatically pick up depending on your IP address. If it's wrong, you could probably just click here and select the country accordingly. Then you can decide the currency as well. So in my case, I'm just going to go with USD. And thereafter, you can enter the address in here. Again, for the video purpose, for the educational video purpose, I'm going to enter the dummy information in here in your case, ensure you enter the accurate information. So you can mention the address, your city, your postal code. So you might have a postal code, a zip code, whatever you have, you can enter it here, followed by the phone number. That's also required. And you can also read it. The Wi phone number is required. You can select your country from here, the country flag, and enter the phone number. And thereafter, you can enter your first and last name. So I'm just going to go with John Molyneux. In your case, you can mention the first and last name and then click on complete registration. When you do that, your account has been created. And as you can see, welcome to the family. How much did you make with other networks? So do you have an account with other affiliate marketing networks? If yes, in whatever case, you can click here and you can decide from here. So this is like Poland currency. So according, like you can do some calculation and select any of these options. So I'm just going to go with this and I can click on here, enter. So you could do the same. Now, if you're not part of any network, you could still click 0 to 1000 PLN. Because if you're not part of any network, that means you haven't earned anything. So between 0 to 1000 PLN could be a good option for you. So once you do that, it will take you to the dashboard, you may call it. And this is a place where you would be able to interact with all the features which are available in MyLead. And the first thing you will observe is the home page. So here you would be able to see the statistics. And then you can also click on statement for earning. You can see your configuration as well and all these details. You can check it out. On the right hand side, you would be able to see the amount that is available to pay out to you and whatever is pending, what is already paid out. So this is a quick view into your performance. You can experiment. You can see how well you're performing. But the next very important thing is applying to the affiliate program, finding the affiliate programs and applying to the affiliate program of all these brands. But before that, you won't be able to apply to any of the affiliate programs unless you set your traffic source. So from the left-hand side menu bar, you can click on traffic source, and here you have to add the traffic source. So whatever traffic source you got a website, blog, a social media account. Since you created an affiliate or publisher account with MyLead, you must have a web presence out there, a website, blog, or whatever. So you can come here, you can click on add a traffic source in here, and you can select from any of these. Do you have a web page or website? If yes, click this. This is for blog, this is for forum, this is for social media, and all these you can select accordingly. So in my case, I got a sample website of mine. I can click here. Similar to that, you can click on this option. You can enter the web URL of your website and then choose a category. So I can select category, and let's say I am gonna select from online. Okay, let's go with online. That's for me. In your case, you can select the category accordingly. If your content is 18 plus, you can tick mark it. Otherwise, just leave it as it is, and then click on add additional information, and you can provide more information. Otherwise, just click on delete additional information and just keep it these two only, and then click on add. So when you do that, your traffic source will get added. And it's not like that you can only add one traffic source. You have an option to add more as well. So if you click on my traffic sources, you would be able to see your traffic source that's being added in here. And then there are some related FAQs as well. You can read through and you can understand. So as you can see, this traffic source got added. So if you're adding a website, it's also important that you verify the ownership of it, only in case of website or blog. So if you click on details, you would be able to see more information such as the verify option. So as you can see, verify button is here. So confirmation of ownership is required only in case if you're adding website, but if you're adding social media and all, this ownership is not required. Probably they'll do some manual verification in that case. So in case of a website, you can click on verify. And there are three ways you can verify. Probably just add this meta tag in the homepage of your website, or use this comment in the homepage again of your website, or you could use this token. So if you are a tech person, you can go with it. If not, probably you will need the help of someone from your end who has a tech knowledge, or probably a web developer or your web service provider. So this is how you can confirm the ownership of your website after doing any of these. So, and once you've ended any of these, you can simply click on verify. It will automatically verify the ownership, and it will show here confirm, something like that. Like this, you can add more traffic sources of your. So once you've added the traffic sources, you can click on campaigns and you can go to list of campaigns. So in here, you would be able to see the affiliate program of different brands. This side, let me just cross this warning message. So you would be able to see different brands in here. What's important is this filter section. If you look at the side settings, so you can search by live, recommended, or beginners. Then you can also search by type like CPL, CPS, CPA. You can read through it to have a better understanding. You can even get commission on cash on delivery as well, just so you know. And then you can search these campaigns by these features as well. Then there's some category. Let's say you're only interested in brands who are part of food category. You can select this and you would be able to see the affiliate program of those brands only. But what's more important is not all these brands or affiliate program or campaigns are available for all the locations. So it's very important you only promote those brands or those affiliate programs which are allowed for your audience location or your traffic location. Let's say if your audiences are from United States, then only search here United States. Just typing United and you will see this option, United States of America, and you would be able to see all the affiliate programs which are kind of providing the services or products in United States of America. So similar to that, you could enter the location of your traffic, and you could see the affiliate programs available for that location, and then you would see them listed in here. You can click on details to have more information, and you can read through it to understand it better. And not just that, you will see the commission rate here as well. So for Carter's, they got between 3 to 1%. So you can see through the list and see, whatever commission rate that they're providing. So let's say that you decided to promote Carter's in that case. So whatever program that you want to promote, you can simply click on either details to see more details, or click on promote, which will take you to the affiliate program information page for that brand. Over here, you can click on URL address. When you do that, it will ask you to select your traffic sources. So whatever traffic sources that you've added, you can click here and you would be able to select from here. So in my case, I selected this. You can also add more traffic sources. If you click at here, you can read through terms of programs, promotions garden, like what is forbidden. They do not allow social media and all this. So this will give an idea what they don't allow. Then you can describe about your promotion strategy in here. I'm just going to write dash. Don't write dash in your case. Ensure you write something which kind of helps you in getting the approval from Cartus or from any affiliate brand accordingly. So once you have returned it, you can click on I have read the terms of the program. And when you do that, your application to the Carter's team would go. So that was just an example we use for Carter's. Similar to Carter's, you could apply to the affiliate program of any brand after you find them. And once you get the approval, you would be able to see get the hide links, the banner links, deep link. You would be able to create product feed and coupons and promotions as well. So you can come to their affiliate program page again the way we came through, and you would be able to get their tracking links and you would be able to promote them, but only after getting the approval. Now, how would you know whether you have been approved by them or not? So for that, you can go to campaigns again. You can go to list of campaigns, and this time you have to use some other functionality on the settings side. So within settings, you would see this select the status. So you can click on accepted. And when you do that, you will only be able to see here the programs which have accepted you in their affiliate program. So in our case, the example that I showed you, if Carter would accept me, then I would see them listed in here. So this is how you would know. And then you would also be notified by an email. That also depends on your notification setup that we will talk later in the video. So, and if you want to check the programs which are still in pending, you can simply click on pending and it will show you the affiliate program which are yet to review you. So basically, when you have applied to the affiliate program, they will review whether you're a good fit for them or not, and they may take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. So you can give them this much time to consider you and to approve you. So let's say you got the approval, then we also talk about how you can promote them, isn't it? So similar to that, you could use smart links and landing pages. It's basically, if you click on these, it will show you all the brands by selecting additional features as smart links or landing page. So you can find the brands and promote them accordingly. Then you got configuration as well. So once you have gotten the approval from these brands, you would be able to set your own configuration, which you would be able to see listed in here. But it's a bit kind of advanced feature, so it's all right. So long as it's pretty simple, like if you're beginner level, you create an account, you add your traffic sources, you go to campaigns, explore the brands, apply to them, get the approval, start promoting them after getting the tracking links. Then we got Content Locker. Now, all the features that you see within Content Locker are a bit advanced. So I'm just going to talk a few. So the first one we got a CPA Locker. So think of it this way. You have a website. Sometimes you hide content. You show them the offer. You're like, if you want to see the content, click on it, and then some offers appear. So using this, you can set it up like that. Then they got Captcha Locker as well, which basically you've seen like how captcha works, isn't it? So you could use this functionality and set up the captcha. So when the user would be going through with the captcha to see the content, they would see some sort of offers and you would be able to earn commission based on that. And then they got file locker as well. It's basically if someone want to download some file from your website or blog, then you could use this as well and earn commission. Now, as I say, these are some advanced tool. So if you want to learn about them, you can click on these sections. There will be some guide over there. You can follow it and you will be able to use it. Similar to that, we got mobile rewards and offer API as well that you can explore. But again, these are for someone who is skillful with all the technologies and everything. But for beginner level, we can skip it. Then we got the PPI as well. The PPI, it's kind of it's for the installation, the mobile application installation. So as you can see here, how exactly it works, and these are the offers which would be available here. As you can see, available programs. So you could create your own like click on add PPI configuration, create your own configuration, and you can start promoting them. Then there's some FAQs as well that you can read through and understand more about them. Thereafter, we got the survey. So not just the affiliate program that you would be able to apply to, but you can also take survey and start earning money. So see how exactly it works, answer the questions and get additional funds that will increase your MyLead balance. So that's amazing. Then what is worth remembering? Question must be answered truthfully, otherwise you will not get paid. It's very important. And then when will you receive funds? So the fund will be added to your account immediately after completing the survey. So that's great. Like let's say you are doing some affiliate marketing stuff, but you got bored, you can click on show items, take the quiz or the survey and start earning commission that way. Isn't that amazing? Then we already covered the traffic sources. Let's look at the statistics. So let's say you started promoting the brands, you got the approval, you got the tracking links and all that, you started promoting them on your social media account, website, or blog, but where would you see your performance? So you can click on statistics to see your performance by different model. You can also go to leads to see the performance of your leads. You can go to visit to see your visit performance as well. And all the metrics would be different depending on what metrics that you select from here, the what option that you select from here. So in visit, you would be able to see program configuration, name, country, refer address, and date of creation. So all these information you can see within statistics. Then we got community. So let's be honest, sometimes it feels like pretty alone when you're into affiliate marketing. So wouldn't that be good to have a community? So you could go to community, you can go to forum, you can see different topics being already discussed here. You can become part of it. You can answer some questions from there. You could create your own topic from here. And then they got gallery and blog as well that you can explore. Now back to some more advanced tool. So you can go to Webmaster. If you are someone with the skills, tech skills, you could create offer page. Now what is offer page? Think of offer page being a solution to one of the problems. So in affiliate marketing, what happens? You put the tracking links on your website. When someone click on the website, they go to the advertiser's website, or the brand's website. The problem is they will end up leaving your website. What if you want to keep the user on your website? So that means whatever happens, the sales and everything will happen on your website. Wouldn't that be amazing? So offer page allows that. But as I said, it's one of the advanced functionality. So if you have the knowledge of coding everything, the basic tech knowledge, then you can come to this page and you can create your offer page accordingly. But you will only be able to create it once you have gotten the approval from the affiliate programs. Then only then this option would be visible to you. Then we got APIs as well, postback as well that you can set it up. Then coupons and promotions. So this is a section you could use to find the available coupons and promotions out there. But the only problem here would be you could use the filter here, but you won't be able to use the country. So you have to choose the coupons and promotions from here carefully. You can't just promote any of this. You have to click on promote. You have to get the approval from the related affiliate programs, and then only then you can promote it. So be mindful of it. Then we got the other things here as well, which is hide link. So hide link is kind of a very advanced version of the tracking link. It's kind of gives a security to the tracking links. As you can see, this system deals primarily with bots and protects against fraud. In addition, it allows you to bypass bans and limits in social media. So the problem with using tracking links on social media is sometimes it gets blocked by social media, but hide links allow you to bypass that. So if you're interested, you can click on read more, follow through the instructions to get your hide links. So once you're done with the webmaster, if any tool takes your likeness, you can use it. Otherwise, it's fine. Then we can go to the profile. We will talk about withdrawals, but it's important that we talk about profile first. So within profile, you can click on settings, which will take you to the information that you have given during the registration process. Now, what's important is you can read through it, and if you want to make any change here, you can do it. Then you can click on payment, and you would be able to select your payment method from here. So you can choose your withdrawal method. Let's say if you got a PayPal account, you can click on PayPal and just put the PayPal email address in here. Similar to that, you can select any of these the payment option and put the information accordingly. Let's say you got a bank account, you can click here at the IFSC number and the account number for IFSC. So this is how you can update your payment settings in here. And then you can go to security. Over here, you would be able to update your credential, like your password. You can also set up two-factor authentication from this page. Then comes the social settings. So let's say you used your website as a traffic source, but you got a related social media account for your website. You can come to the section and or add those social media accounts here accordingly. And then the notification. So this is a place where you would be able to set your notification preferences. Like we talked about, will you be notified when campaigns would approve you when you apply to the affiliate program? So this is the place, as you can see, a reminder of the campaigns to which you receive access. So ensure this is tick marked, and you can also set your preferences for the other things as well. And once you have set it, you can click on save and it will remember your preference. Then you would also be able to see recent activities. You can click on delete your account in case if you want to delete your account with them. So this is how you can set up, you can see your profile, you can set up your payment method. And once you have done it, you can go to withdrawals, because this is the place where you would be able to see the commission that's been getting generated. So you would be able to see if there's any commission that got rejected by the brands out there or the campaigns. You would be able to see in here. Depending commission, you would see it here. And once any commission that has gotten approval from the brands, or the advertisers, they call branches advertisers as well. So once you have gotten the approval, you would be able to see them here as accepted. And but then there's another validation required, and that's the validation of MyLead. So once you have your commission being approved by the branch, and if it has been validated by MyLead, you would be able to see in here available to pay. And if you see the amount available to pay more than $20, you would be able to click on invoice, and you can initiate the fund process, and the payment will be issued to you depending on what you have selected as your withdrawal method. And then whatever commission being sent out to you, you can always go to order history and you would be able to see it. And you would also be able to see additional top-ups and deduction in here in this section. And then within profile, you got refer. Now, this is one of the amazing things that we will talk about shortly. It's good to have a desert for the end, isn't it? So we will talk about it in a few seconds from now. Let's go to the bonuses. So MyLead is one of the very unique affiliate networks out there. They don't just allow you to apply to the affiliate program, they let you use very advanced tool, and they also give you bonus on different stuff. For example, place MyLead signature on your account on the online forum like zarabium.com or maccash.pl and get yourself bonus to earnings, constant bonus. So you see, for all different actions that you take here, you will get commission accordingly or bonus from them. So this is so amazing. And one of the things I like about them is extension as well. So you see, use this feature of MyLead browser extension on an ongoing basis and get a bonus for that as well. So if I click here, I can see I can get 2% bonus for 48 hours if I use it for any month. So let's say if I use the extension for this month, then I could get 2% commission for the 48 hours in the coming month. So this is great. So you can, on the section, you can see which offer is more suitable to you, which bonus offer is more suitable to you, and you could use it accordingly. You simply have to click on it to get more information. Now, we were talking about our desert, which is profile. And if you click on refers, there's something very interesting. There are only few networks out there which kind of rewards you if you bring more people to them. And MyLead is very unique with it. So if you bring new people to them, guess what? You'll get commission for it too. And not just that, that's kind of recurring commission. So let's say if you brought someone to MyLead affiliate network, whatever money they will earn, you will get 5% of it. So let's say if you brought 100 people to them, whatever those 100 people would earn, you will just get 5%. You don't have to do anything. You simply have to bring more people to them. So as you can see, it's written here. So it's amazing. Now, how can you promote them? For that, you can come to the section, send an invitation, click on send an invitation to our site, and you would be able to see your referral link in here, which has your unique ID in it. So you can copy this link, you can share it with anyone. You can also use this reference link form. This is a form, you can use it. And then this is HTML link code that you can take and embed within the backend of your website or blog. You can also invite anyone. You can write their email address in here, write first name, last name, select language, and click on send an invitation. We can also tick mark this. So this is great. Like, if they end up joining, if they end up promoting the brands and end up earning, guess what? You'll get 5% of it. So this is how the referral programs of MyLead works. But what about other stuff? What if you have question and you want to reach out to the support team of MyLead? How would you do that? So you can click on support and help from the menu bar, and it will open these three sections. You can click on FAQ and it will have all these sections that we went through it. So you can click on these sections and there are some frequently asked questions you can read and you'll find the answer in here. What if you don't find the answer in here and in any of these sections? In that case, within profile, you can go to beginner's guide, and you might want to, explore some beginner guides to have available in here, but still you have very specific question. Then what? Then again, you go to supports and help, you click on contact, and you can contact the support team for MyLead. You could write an email to them at these email addresses for the related concern. You can even call them on this number. You can initiate a message with them on Discord, reach out to them through Skype or Telegram, whatever method you like, you can go with it. So this is how you can operate the platform. Now, how can you log out? from the platform. Simply, you have to look at the top right hand side. You will see this button. You can click on it and log out. And if you ever want to log in again, come to the website. You might want to bookmark this link, come to the website, click on login, which should take you to this page. You can enter just the username and the password, click on I'm not a robot, and click on login. You'll be in. So this is how you create an affiliate, or rather publisher account with MyLead. You use their platform and you start generating commission for you. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in upgrading the MyLead affiliate dashboard. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.